Hey guys, this is Ayman from Ammyfied Customs. You have seen my work, first time you're seeing me. This is the car we have built for a client from Coorg. This car was ordered in the lockdown. So I'll just go through this car and explain you what and all we have done. This car was built and it's ready for the delivery. I have to give it today. So I'll take you around and I'll tell you what and all we have done. So basically what we do is we take out the cars from army and we strip completely and right to the very minimum. We have changed everything in the car, every bolt, every nut, everything is changed in the car, everything is brand new in the car, right from the MGP and all the bells. So we have added the front off-road bumper, paint you can see. This car has a beautiful paint, and we have added a 2-inch lift kit with Rhino Pro suspension, and we have added 235 tires, empty tires with off-road rims, and we have added this nozzle for this. This is our standard setup, what we are giving. This car is with power steering, and you can see the car is pretty much in brand new condition. This is the AC compatible cabin we have built. This is a 2-seater car where you can have those looks of a soft top as well as enjoy the AC too. And here we have built a custom-made rear bumper with the tire carriers. This is our in-house production, and this is really sturdy and it goes with the car and looks nice. This canopy you can remove it. This is a convertible canopy and you can pretty much enjoy the convertible feeling. You can remove the backpack. This canopy is convertible like this, so you can easily remove it and enjoy the convertible feeling. Like all our cars, even this car has a new dashboard, new speedometer. This steering wheel was selected by our client. Usually we have original steering wheel, new seats, and everything is like brand new in the car.